welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. Hloso and his family, they have a new house, a beautiful house, and there's a whole lot of new faces that made appearances today. Brasemi, who first appeared at Toriso's wedding, who is their uncle, is here as the owner of Itembaletu. He announces that he has sold Itembaletu to Utapelo, Tukulo Sindane, and Bridget Masego. They come and then the community does not feel, they feel unease because Utapelo said they'll bring a lot of changes. They feel like, Brasemi should have spoken to them. Maybe they will have raised money to buy Itembale to themselves. But Unhloso reassures them, these are good people. They were my previous bosses. They are good people. This is all right. But then, Puat's mother is there, also selling her fat cakes, saying, hi, there's a more these people are not good people. They're just good for nothing people. Velenje won't be fine. And then the others are just like it unease. And then Uprasemi, they just realize there's also issues about electricity and all. But Uprasemi, like, it's your problem now. You've bought the place as it is, so you have to fix it as the new owners. And then Hloso welcomes Tukulo Sindane, saying, I'm happy you're here. He is now the manager at the supermarket at Tembaletu. And then Umadloma owns her own laundromat, Konalapayana. It seems like Tembaletu has encompasses a whole lot of businesses in one building. And then there's a murder on the first day appearance yabo on this new Scandal. Kuzoshuba Brasemi killed someone on the first day who was claiming to be the real boss of Itembaletu. And then Umdala feels like, Tapela, what have you gotten us into? Umtunzi is back. He pays Nhloso a visit. Apparently they were together in prison and Umtunzi was providing protection to Nhloso. So I guess it's time for payback. Utloro is here with her babies, 2 babies, a boy and a girl, Uhlelo nontando, looking all cute. Motherwood looks good on Tlori. And then Ubrasemi, Malumi Ephraim, back at Tembeni, fihla this guy, the guy that Ubrasemi killed yesterday. He tells Ephraim Guti, this guy was there to collect a protection fee. These guys have been bothering him for years now. They always come to collect the money. And then Ephraim is like, but why didn't you tell us? I said, I didn't want to bother you, I'll just pay it. But this guy was now here demanding more, so I had no choice. So Ephraim says, I'm going to help you hide him. They take this guy, and then they move him to a fridge. Hloso sees them doing this, pulling Ephraim holding the bin, and he follows him. And then Hloso gets to see them hiding Zimbo, this junior guy that they killed. And then it's like, yes, and then he sees everything. He's like, you know what, I don't want to get involved. I shouldn't have seen this. I don't want to go back to prison. Like, I once went to prison for something I didn't do. I'm not going back there again. I don't want to get involved. But we're not going to involve you. Just don't tell anyone. Don't tell your wife. And then Hloso leaves. And then there's this Botsotso guy, a new guy. He's trying his luck on Bridget, saying that he's there if Bridget wants a shoulder to cry. So Umtunzi talks to Hloso, telling him he's out now. He needs a favor. He needs a place to crash until he figures things out. Hloso tries to talk to Madlomo about it, but Madlomo is not comfortable having an ex-convict live with them, especially someone who was convicted for a murder. And then I'm jealous. No, my wife is not willing to stay with you. Actually, I'm sorry, we can't help you. And then Umdala no Tlori, they're staying with Bridget for now. Umdala is not. It doesn't like that they have to squat up Bridget. Tlori, it's fine. I'll go look for our dream house as soon as the twins start settling down. And then Umdala is like, you know what? Things I missed the rest of levels. It was easier. I wouldn't go to levels even if things were fine because of what happened to me. Why is this Scandal robbed us of a drama? Because I was still expecting a lot of drama around the surrogacy, around Kabonina coming for her man and all. Anyway, I'm happy for them because now they're here and they're good and they have their babies. And then Ubrasem, Ephraim, they're struggling to hide the body. They end up calling Unhloso, asking for help. But uNhloso was like, I told you I'm not getting involved. uMadlamo is not happy ukuthi uHloso decided to take uMthunzi to eThembeni to go sleep in the storeroom after uMadlamo refused for him to sleep in the house. Uthi, when are you playing with fire? What if Brasemi finds out he's going to fire you? But what was I supposed to do? I can't just let him go without a place to sleep. Besides, this guy saved my life in prison. If it wasn't for him, but how come you've never spoken to me about him? I don't like talking about my time in prison. And then in the morning, he goes to eThembeni and he finds Mthunzi there. Mthunzi is thankful for giving him a place to sleep and says he's just going to go and see what he finds and start afresh. But Nhloso is like, let me talk to someone for you. Maybe we can figure something out. I'm not promising anything, but I'll just try my best. And then Mthunzi goes to talk to Nhloso's wife, uMadlomo, do you have something here at the laundromat? Can you offer me a job? Madlomo, I'm sorry, I'm not hiring at the moment. Maybe wait, they're going to open a club, mhlambe ungathola something there. And then the tenants are not happy with the new owners, Sindane, Utukulo, Tapelo, and Bridget. They want to increase the rent. But the tenants are like, where are we going to get the money? But we still have to renovate. Look at this place. It needs a lot of work. That's why we need the increment. They're not happy, Nje, but they just feel like these ones are just bringing up stories. And then Upototo decides to shoot his shot. He gives his presentation to Tukulo and Tapelo. A business idea. He says, okay, don't even answer now. You're going to give it some thought. You're going to get back to me later. And then Poet's mom is still stuck on hating the Morris. He feels, why did Brasemi bring Utapelo? Arwana, why do you have so much hatred because of your daughter-in-law? Pela, do you know that I'm also Toriso's uncle? So if you hate the Morris, then it means you hate me also. Where do we stand? Arno, I don't hate you. You know you've always have a good relationship. And then they get distracted by this guy coming saying he works for Rex. He's there to look for Junior because Junior has disappeared. So Mthunzi managed to win Madlomo's heart. She finally agreed for him to come and stay with them. So Mthunzi saw Madlomo going to the bins. Wahamba went to dig up trash, acting as a foodla corner. Madlomo wamzwela got him food and talked to him. What exactly did you do for my husband in prison? I noticed when I looked into his eyes, he's not a bad person, he's not a criminal. So I'm Caesar, because in prison, if you are an emotional person, very available, and they mess you up. So Nhloso, Madlomo Wamzwela decided to tell Nhloso he can come and stay with us. I feel like I was too harsh on him. Nhloso tells Mthunzi was excited as you've got a good woman. Nhloso takes him home, tells the kids, the kids are not happy about it. They're like, Mom, but why are you bringing this guy? And the Uli said to Ntutu, this guy gives me bad vibes, man. He's a serial killer. I wonder what he Mthunzi play nayo. Anyway, Mr. David talks to Tukulo presenting a proposal to supply him with alcohol for E-levels at Funuyivula eThembeni. And then Tukulo is like, no, I already have my own supplier. Mr. David's wife, got furious. It rubbed her off the wrong way. As these people don't care about us, they just want rent. And then they call the meeting with all the staff at eThembeni, but we must not agree with E-levels. Pototo thinks it's going to be a good opportunity for jobs creation. And Nje wants to apply for the manager position. Pototo manager. But then everyone does not agree. Even Ephraim is like, no, why? It's not a good idea. But Nhloso were like, but why? Would say as attracted the wrong crowd, the likes of Rex. And then the visitor that visited to Brasemi, that guy that was sent by Rex to look for Junior, I don't know where Junior is. He collected money and left. And then I had to sell eThembeni. What's going to happen? You must tell the new owners with this funny protection fee. I'm going to tell them. And then Nhloso introduces Mthunzi to Uncle Ephraim. And then Nhloso had also asked DK to give Mthunzi a place to stay. But DK was like, never. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.